Hi guys, my name is Michelle from Modernly Michelle, and if you are a lover of all things fashion, luxury, and lifestyle, then you're in the right place. Please be sure to subscribe if you enjoyed this video. Alright you guys, hello, another day of Vlogmas. Of course, your girl is rolling through this, and today I wanted to share with you guys an item that I got that I have been eyeing for a little bit, and I just finally got it, and I wanted to share with you guys. It's not a true unboxing per se, but I did put the item back in the box to kind of give you guys the vibes and the feels, you know what I mean? So let's just jump into it. As you saw from the thumbnail and the title, you guys probably know what this is, but here is the bag that it came in. Of course, here is the box that it came in. I'm gonna go ahead and open it up. All right, so it does come in a little dust bag, and it does come with the little tags as well. So here's the dust bag that it comes in. We're gonna open this up, and here we have it. This is from Chanel, as you guys saw. It is the mini O case. So let's get into this, okay? So this mini O case is, first of all, it's really nice, okay? It's really nice. I got it in black. I wanted to get it in a classic color to start off with. And this to me is the perfect little catch-all for any of your bags. Not any of them. If you have like super mini bags, obviously this may not fit. But the way that this is designed slips in perfectly to into any like smaller, mid-size, larger bags. It fits in perfectly. And the reason why I got this is because, one, I like Chanel. I do. I haven't really been shopping Chanel because the prices are ridiculous. So I haven't been getting anything. But I do like Chanel, and I knew that I wanted to get a nice item that would hold all of the stuff in my bags, because I've been noticing that my bags have just been chaotic. Like there's just stuff all over the place. It's just when I'm digging through, I'm like fishing through a bunch of things. If I'm like in a checkout line, I'm like digging through, girl. I'm just looking crazy. So I knew I wanted to have something that will be able to easily fit the items that I always need in my bag, and also look very chic, last a long time as well, and just be perfect in my, collection. So this is in caviar leather, and the caviar feels really nice and smooth. I love the feel of this caviar so much. As you guys can see, here are the details. It does feature this really nice small CC in, this is gold. I don't think this is champagne. In gold as well, and it has burgundy here at the top, the classic Chanel. When you open it up, oh, I do have a few things in there, but when you open it up, I thought I took everything out. It has the Chanel label right here, and yeah, it's pretty simple on the inside. So I'll be sure to have the specs of the O case on the screen so you guys can see, but this is the mini size. I was able to get this from my local boutique. I just hit up my SA and I was like, hey, do you guys have this available in stock? And she was like, yeah, we do. And it was easy for me to just go in and pick it up. So I think Chanel, it's a little bit easier, I guess, for some items to shop there than it was before, because I feel like a lot of people have been pushed away because of the price increases, but that's a conversation for another day, girl. Either way, this O case fits so much. As you can see right now, I ended up having two of the things that I took everything out, but I have a scrunchie and a, what do you call this? A lip pencil in there. I also have a coin in there too. Is my lip balm. This is my Summer Fridays lip balm, so that fits perfectly in there. I do have some cards. I have some cards that I can put in here as well. Some loose cards that don't go in my main wallet, so that fits in perfectly. I have another scrunchie because a girl can never have too many scrunchies. I have this sanitizer here. We're gonna put that in. As you can see, the sanitizer fit as well. So I can kind of, let me maneuver this a little bit better. But again, I mainly got this because I wanted to fit all of my like go-to items that I really, really just always need. And I just noticed we're floating around randomly in my bags. And as you can see, it zips. It closes perfectly, right? So this just fits perfectly. It is a little bulky, so to be honest, I don't put sanitizer in here. I mainly just put some of my smaller items, like if I'm wearing a lipstick that day, my lip balm, my, like I just showed you those items. I can also put a mirror in here, which I usually do, but the mirror, I can actually put a mirror in there. Give me one sec. So there's a mirror in this little pouch, and I can just show you guys how this fits in. I'm going to take my Summer Fridays out first, and you can just slip a mirror in there, and I'm going to put the Summer Fridays back in here. And as you can see, it zips up with no problem. So I just wanted to share with you guys a really quick review and video of the Chanel Mini O case. If it's something that has been on your radar, I think, and you like Chanel items, I think it's something that you should consider getting for sure, just because it just works really well. It fits into my bags. I don't have a ton of huge bags, and I mainly have mini and small bags, and this fits perfectly in them. I love the look of it. The feel is very luxurious and soft. I don't have any scratches. I've taken it in one bag and moved it to another bag, so it's really good for transport, and I don't have any scratches, no issues. It looks really good. It looks extremely new, and I've been using it for sure. And I highly recommend it. So if you, oh, actually, I can show you guys the difference. This is Vlogmas, so we can be a little bit impromptu. I have this here from Louis Vuitton. It's like a small little catch-all thing as well, but as you can see, it's just bulkier than the O case. It fits more, but I mainly use this for travel to fit like and I can put these in my like bigger bags for travel, and then like for jewelry and different things like that, it fits perfectly. But in bags, it's kind of hard because this takes up all of the space, which is why I figured this would be a better fit, as you can see. So it just depends on what you're looking for, but for me, I know I really wanted this to fit in my bags, and it fits wonderfully. All right, you guys, I hope that you enjoyed this video. Please be sure to let me know down below if you have the Mini O case or if it's one of the items that's on your wish list. As always, follow me on Instagram at Modernly Michelle. Would love to have you guys, and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. I will catch you guys on my next one. Bye, guys.